Snoring, a soundly sleepy phrase explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might hear, especially when someone's fast asleep. Let's explore the phrase, to snore, and uncover its meaning, usage, and more. To snore is a verb that describes the act of making a loud, often rough noise while sleeping. This happens when airflow gets partially blocked in the passage between the mouth and nose. Picture this: someone is sleeping peacefully, but every few seconds, there's a loud noise, almost like a saw cutting through wood. That's snoring. Understanding a phrase is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Let's see to snore in action. 1. My grandfather snores loudly every night. 2. I can't sleep because my roommate snores. 3. She was so tired that she started to snore during the movie. Often, when talking about snoring, you might come across related words and phrases. Here are some. 1. Snoring. Noun. This is the act or sound of snoring. E.g., his snoring can be heard from the next room. 2. Snorer. Noun. A person who snores. E.g., she's a loud snorer. 3. Snore loudly, softly, to describe the intensity of the snoring. E.g., he snores so softly that you can barely hear it. Well, there you have it. Now you not only know the meaning of to snore, but also how to use it in conversations. Remember, language is a beautiful thing, and every word or phrase has its own story. Keep learning and exploring. We hope you found this video helpful, and may your nights be snore-free.